Welcome to Tri-City Transmission and Tri-City Auto Repair. Two specialties under one roof to simplify most your auto repair needs. We are a state-of-the-art, modern transmission and auto repair facility with deep roots in the community starting way back in 1972. Our 10-bay facility is designed around keeping your vehicle safe, secure, and clean while it's in for service. We service just about all makes and all models, from oil changes to shocks and alignments on up to minor and major engine and transmission repairs. We utilize only seasoned technicians, top quality parts, and we have a triple check guarantee. So you will never leave wondering if your car was fixed right. Tempe Marketplace is our next door neighbor, locating us at the 101 and 202 interchange, which makes us convenient from just about anywhere in the valley. We help with the logistics of getting your car into the shop, including rental car discounts, rides to and from work, as well as towing. I am Dave Riccio, and your satisfaction is my top priority.